Hey there, I'm going to keep this short and sweet. Now I've had a bunch of requests from you for storm vermin, so I've gone and made you some storm vermin. Now it took me a couple of iterations to make this really easy to print. You shouldn't need any supports at all. I decided to print these on a normal height setting, which was 0.15 millimeters, I think. And it took around 4.5 hours to print 10. Just to put that into context, it took around 5 to 6 hours to print one Croxagore. So yeah, get printing these guys, because they're really fast to poop them out. And like I said, I mean, I think I printed 25 of them, just trying to get it all working nice. These are available on Thingiverse. You can go find them in the link in the description below. So there's some storm vermin for you, so go get printing. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to comment and subscribe, and maybe share it with a friend who might be interested in a bunch of Skaven. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll catch you around. It's like 40 degrees right now, and I'm sweating and I'm dying, and that's that.